Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the DEC2BIN function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is pretty simple, and what it does, it will simply convert a decimal number into a binary number. So this function contains two arguments. So the first one is mandatory and the second one is optional. We're just going to work with the mandatory number. Also, this function can work with numbers that go between minus 512 to numbers that are 511. So we're going to test them right here. So we're gonna go with minus 513, and here it's gonna be 512. So how exactly does this function work? It's pretty simple. We start with an equal sign and we can just write down DEC2BIN, and then we can open up our parentheses. So as I said, the argument with which we're going to work with will be the number. So it's pretty simple. We are going to select this cell right here that contains the number 12. And once it's all done, what we can do is simply close our parentheses. And just like that, we have converted this decimal number into the following binomial number. Binary number, sorry. So let's do this for the cell right here. So we'll take this number right here and we'll simply drag it like this. And as you can see, it will convert our decimal number into a binary number as well. So it's only ones and zeros. So if we do this with the following number, which is minus 513, as you can see, we're gonna have a mistake. Well, we're gonna have an error sign, but if we go to minus 511, it will convert. If we do the same thing for our 512, if we go here, once again, it's going to be an error. But if we go to 510, it's going to work. So this is how we use the DEC2BIN function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.